Release.
Wow.
Yes.
See? Wow. The view. Welcome to US. Oh, it's a big bed. Where Kasha? How about the toilet? Wow. There's a flower, there's some sabon. Hello guys, good morning. So this is the hotel where we stayed in New Jersey. It's Holiday Inn and Suites here in Parsippany, New Jersey. So this is the room. Currently my daughters are there. The one is sleeping, Eliza, 1-year-old, and Elle. So this is our room. There's a lot of mess since we got here yesterday, so we're tired of the jet, and we had a jet lag. Yeah, here still had a jet lag. So here's the details of the room. So there's a TV, there's a microwave, there's a cabinet, and there's a page here. There's a page, and there's a free coffee. And as you can see, the area is, so if you see outside, there's the parking, our view. You can see the parking, and the CR. Also the restroom is quite large. There's a bathtub. There's a bathtub there, and some free shampoos, lotions, and hand wash, hand soap, so you don't need to carry all of that. And there is the cabinet. So there's a cabinet with a bowl and an ironing board and iron. So basically all you need is already here. So for me, this is a good hotel. For the breakfast, we ate some good delicious food. So there's cereal, there are breads, fruits, sausages, what else, there's a lot. So for me, I can give this hotel a 5-star. Thank you guys. What's this? Oh,
Oh no, I think she's confused.
I want a coffee and a drink.
Check if that skater he hasn't tried to goo up is Rhino. Thanks, Team Spidey. They must be working together.
Let's grab some trays and some napkins, okay?
How do you want that? This scrambled egg. You want this scrambled egg? Ayun, Ella, waffle. You like waffles?
Yes.
If you like waffle, and then okay, juice. Huh?
Slice mo. Slice.
Slice.
Hindi siya na.
Lisa, are you happy? Did you ride an airplane? What happened? What happened to the airplane? Did you cry? Do you like the food? Nag-cry ka? How did you cry? Oh, nag-cry ka. Do you like the food? What did you eat? What did you eat? Watermelon? Grapes. Do you like it? Do you like the food? Ah, yes. Oh, say hi to the video. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to them. Hello. Say hi. Oh, you're tired. You're tired. What? Say hi. Oh, say mommy. Mommy. Oh, yeah. Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Oops. Say good morning. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Show me your tongue. Where's your tongue? Tongue. Oh, how old are you? How old are you? Hello. How old is Eliza? How old are you? How old are you? Hey? Where's your nose? Nose. Oh, where's your teeth? Teeth. Oh, how old are you? How old are you? How? How old? How old are you? One. One lang, not three. How old are you? One. Okay. Where's your eyes? Oh, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Clap your hands. Show me your tongue. Count ka, count. 1, 2. Oh, ay, magaling to eh. Say red. Say red. Don't press it. Red. Blue. Yellow. Ano? Oh, bye-bye ka na. Bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye. Bye ka na. Bye. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. O, say bye na. Bye-bye. Bye ka na. Oh, I see you. Where is Eliza? Where's Eliza? Where's Eliza? Peekaboo. How old are you? Oh, shock ka muna. Shock. Show me shock face. Shock. No, don't press it.